Good Friday morning, everybody. This is Anna from hotoptionbabe.com. It's August 5th, 2011. And on the screen, I'm looking at a chart of the E-mini futures right before the jobs report at 8:30 this morning. The U.S. took a drubbing yesterday, along with the rest of the world. However, I was pretty shocked at the fierceness of the move down. It was a little unexpected, and I think most people thought it was a little unexpected. I expected a couple hundred drop day, but nothing like what we saw. Now that being said, what are we going to look for here today? Here, let me delete all these drawings. Okay. Now we still on the 60 have a bear flag. Anything is possible. I don't know how the jobs number is going to come in. It could come in with an upside surprise. We could get a short squeeze, a short covering rally. But we'll tell you this. Let's just look at the daily first. We are so oversold on the daily, and we need to at least come up and make an A off of our M pattern that I have been pointing out. And, excuse me, and then we would see some lower lows at 1170, 1148 on the E-minis. Now, you can see this long bar and this long volume. That sort of makes me think that we may have seen a short-term capitulation here. Doesn't mean we can't have some weakness at the open or pre-market. So that being said, if we take a look at the 4 hour, again, this is starting to turn up, but it can turn right back down. But there is this bear flag, which tells me, gosh, it could actually even go down to this 1148 or 11. The next level will be 1134 on the E-minis. However, like I said, we are so oversold that anything that could be perceived as the Fed coming in or good news is going to cause a massive short squeeze, because there's so much bearishness in the market now that I have to be a contrarian and be a bull for a little while. Okay, not a long time, but short term. I think that we're due for a face ripper rally that will happen when everybody least expects it, usually before you can get in and cover your positions. So let's take a look at gold. Now I think gold is going to end up paying the piper too. They're going to start getting margin calls on gold and silver. It failed yesterday to get to that 1700. I think we're due for a nice pullback on it. Nice topping tail here. Let me pull this down. Nice topping tail here on physical gold. You can see it right here. Where do I think it could go? It's right now 1664 area, 1641, 1630, maybe 1600. Another one, again, you saw the capitulation volume on that up move, which tells me that we may be running out of steam on gold. As well, you can see bearish divergence, and the lower indicators are starting to roll over. Same on the 60. I'm just looking for some. I'm not looking for anything huge, but at least a nice enough pullback that we can get in long after that. Okay, that being said, I wish you all the best of luck. It's a very volatile and tough market. You have to really watch everything and risk manage, and I wish you all the very best. And if you need anything or any information, just email me, info@hotoptionbabe.com.